In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Reddit. If you're new to Reddit or just haven't created a video post before, don't worry. The process is pretty straightforward once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and post your video with confidence. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging into your account, and it's where you can access your feed, communities, and posting tools. Make sure you're signed in before you start, otherwise you may not see the full set of posting options. Once you're on the home dashboard, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded so the buttons and menus appear properly. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Create. This opens the post creation area where you can start building a new Reddit post. Reddit offers different types of post formats depending on what you want to share, and this is where you choose the format that works best for your content. If the Create button doesn't stand out right away, just scan the upper right section carefully, since that's typically where it appears on the desktop version of Reddit. After the post editor opens, move your attention to the formatting options below the body section. In the bottom row, you'll see a set of icons that let you add different kinds of content to your post. Find the video icon, which appears next to the image icon, and click it. This is the option that allows you to upload and include a video in your Reddit post. Once you select the video icon, Reddit will guide you into the upload flow for video content. At this stage, it's a good idea to make sure you've chosen the correct file and that your video is ready to share. For the best results, use a clear title and double check that you're posting in the right community before publishing. That can help your post reach the right audience and avoid confusion. And that's it. You've now seen the basic process for posting a video on Reddit, starting from your home dashboard, opening the Create tool, and selecting the video option in the editor. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to get your video post set up quickly and smoothly.